ChatGPT revolutionizing the way we communicate with AI is a modification of the original GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, architecture, and is made to produce text that resembles that of a human being in response to a prompt. The model can produce highly coherent and contextually relevant answers to a variety of conversational queries because it was trained on a vast corpus of text data. A transformer-based neural network called ChatGPT analyses and produces text using self-attentional principles. Unlike conventional language models, it has the ability to process lengthy text sequences as input and provide meaningful responses by taking the context of the entire sequence into account. As a result, ChatGPT can produce responses that are realistic and pertinent to the situation. The ability of ChatGPT to produce multi-turn conversational responses is one of its key features. ChatGPT can handle a wide range of conversational topics and generate highly coherent responses, in contrast to role-based chatbots, which rely on predefined scripts and are constrained in their capacity to respond to unexpected questions. This makes it a well-liked option for conversational AI applications and chatbot development. The ability of ChatGPT to produce incredibly personalized responses is another benefit. To produce more individualized and pertinent responses, the model can consider user-specific data, such as their prior interactions with the chatbot. A ChatGPT-powered chatbot, for instance, can ask follow-up questions, keep the conversation in context, and offer more pertinent recommendations based on a user's prior interactions with chatbot. A variety of sources, including books, internet, and social media, were employed to gather the training data for ChatGPT. This enables the model to pick up on a variety of conversational nuances and react properly to a variety of inquiries. In order to deliver even more pertinent and precise responses, the model can also be fine-tuned for certain applications or domains, such as customer service, e-commerce, or entertainment. Using ChatGPT and other AI-powered chatbots ethically and responsibly is one of the main issues. Chatbots run the risk of being used to distribute false information or produce offensive content. OpenAI has put in place a variety of protections and controls, such as the ability to fine-tune the model's output to reduce these risks. To ensure that its technology is used morally and responsibly, OpenAI is also dedicated to ongoing research and development in the area of conversational AI. In conclusion, OpenAI's ChatGPT is a robust and adaptable conversational model powered by AI. It can handle multi-turn conversations, produce highly customized responses, and generate human-like responses to a wide range of conversational requests. Despite the dangers posed by chatbots powered by artificial intelligence, OpenAI is dedicated to ensuring the moral and responsible application of its technology and is consistently making research and development investments to advance the field of conversational AI. Features of ChatGPT. Modern language model ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, stands out from previous language models thanks to a variety of special and unusual features. These qualities include, among others, 1. Large-scale pre-training. ChatGPT is trained using a vast corpus of text data, which includes texts from books, websites, and other sources. The model is able to have a thorough comprehension of language and context because to this extensive pre-training. 2. Advanced natural language processing, NLP. Using deep learning methods like transformer networks, ChatGPT's advanced natural language processing (NLP) system is able to recognize patterns and connections between words, phrases, and paragraphs. With the help of this sophisticated NLP capacity, the model can produce responses that are logical and pertinent to the context. 3. Continuous learning. ChatGPT is made to keep learning and improving over time. As a result, it will become more accurate and perform better with each interaction, making it the perfect tool for applications that demand high levels of accuracy. 4. Multimodal capabilities. ChatGPT's multimodal capabilities allow it to process and react to a variety of input modalities, such as text, images, and audio. The concept can be applied in a range of applications, from customer service to content development, thanks to its multimodal capability. 5. Generative capabilities. Because ChatGPT is a generative model, it can create new text based on the knowledge it has amassed. It is therefore useful for tasks like content development and language translation. 6. Customizable. ChatGPT can be tailored to meet the unique requirements of many industries and applications. It can be tailored, for instance, to carry out particular duties like producing content for a particular business or responding to customer support requests. 7. Open source. OpenAI has made the ChatGPT source code accessible to the public, allowing programmers and researchers to use it to create new applications based on the model. These are only a few of ChatGPT's many remarkable features. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, continuous learning, and customizable design, it is a powerful tool that is changing the way we think about AI and its applications. Limitations of ChatGPT. 1. Bias. ChatGPT is trained using a vast corpus of text data, including literature, internet, and other informational sources. Biases and mistakes in the data could be reflected in the results the model produces. 2. Limited understanding. ChatGPT has a thorough understanding of language, but it does not have the same level of understanding of the world as a human. This implies that it could be unable to comprehend intricate ideas or give precise answers to specific issues. 3. Dependence on data. The quality and variety of the data used to train ChatGPT had a significant impact on its performance. This means that the model's predictions may not be true if the data is skewed or otherwise constrained. 4. Limitations in generative capabilities. ChatGPT can produce fresh text, but its skills are still constrained by the knowledge it has acquired during training. As a result, it might not be able to provide entirely original content. 5. Computational requirements. ChatGPT is a computationally expensive model, which implies that running it takes a lot of processing power. Due to this, it may be challenging to apply the concept in real-world settings, particularly for small businesses or individuals. As a result, ChatGPT is an effective tool with a variety of exceptional and rare capabilities. ChatGPT does have certain drawbacks. Before implementing this model for a particular application or activity, it is crucial to carefully weigh its benefits and drawbacks. Thanks for watching.